What if you brought a modern warship to the Viking Age? Day 1. You arrive in 793 AD off the coast of Norway in a guided missile destroyer. Viking longships surround you. 50 wooden boats staring at your steel fortress. They think it is a metal dragon sent by the gods. Day 3. A chieftain climbs aboard, sees the radar, the missiles, the guns. He kneels, calls you son of Odin. You do not correct him. Day 7. They bring gifts, gold, furs, weapons. Lay them at your feet. You are now a living god with a warship. Day 10. A rival clan attacks their village. The chieftain begs for help. You press one button. A tomahawk missile launches. The enemy fortress explodes 3 miles away. The Vikings fall to their knees in worship. Day 15. You invite the chieftain into the command bridge. Show him the screens, the controls, the technology. He places his axe on the console, leans in to look closer. His axe shifts, presses a red button. Nuclear launch sequence initiated. You have 15 seconds. You cannot stop it. Day 15 and 15 seconds. The warhead detonates. You brought the future to the past and ended both.